What if I told you there's a forgotten superfood that's been used for centuries? Meet beef tallow. Beef tallow is rendered beef fat, traditionally used in cooking and much more. But why should you care about it today? First, let's break down what's in beef tallow. It's packed with saturated and monounsaturated fats, similar to those found in avocados and olive oil. But that's just the beginning. Beef tallow is a powerhouse of fat-soluble vitamins. These vitamins play crucial roles in everything, from eye health to bone strength, and even blood clotting. But why are these fats and vitamins so beneficial? Contrary to old beliefs, the saturated fats in tallow can actually support heart health by improving your cholesterol profile. The fats in tallow are also essential for brain function and hormone production. Tallow's unique composition boosts your immune system in two ways. First, it helps your body absorb those crucial fat-soluble vitamins. Second, it contains conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. But tallow isn't just about health. It's incredibly versatile in the kitchen. With a high smoke point, it's perfect for high-heat cooking. Its rich flavor enhances everything from roasted vegetables to baked goods. Our ancestors knew the value of tallow. It was a staple in kitchens and used in everything from soap to candles. Today we're rediscovering this traditional fat. But not all tallow is created equal. Tallow from grass-fed, pasture-raised cattle is higher in nutrients and beneficial fats like omega-3 fatty acids and CLA. So, whether you're looking to boost your health, enhance your cooking, or connect with traditional foods, beef tallow deserves a place in your kitchen. It's time to embrace this forgotten superfood and experience its benefits for yourself. Ready to try beef tallow? Comment below with your favorite way to use this versatile fat.